Hi everyone, this is Uday here. I welcome you all to this government scheme series, and in our today's lesson we'll be dealing with Northeast Rural Livelihood Project. So simply called NERLP. Okay. So what is this project? Before that I will tell you one more interesting thing. So this project was launched in 2012. So when you hear that, you might be thinking that I should be crazy enough to take this topic and lecture it. I'll tell you if such a question is running in your mind. Okay, I'll tell you it is very important because there has been a recent study conducted and it has found that this Northeast Rural Livelihood Program, also called NERLP, which has been launched in 2012, has improved almost 3 lakh households. So that is the important finding, and because of which we are looking at this particular topic. Okay, so there was a study which was conducted and it has found that it has improved 3 lakh households livelihood. Okay, so by the name itself you should be knowing it is a scheme related to Northeast region, and it is a rural based scheme, and it is also aiming at improving the livelihood of the people. So, okay, so there should not be any confusion over it. Okay, and I will give you some more facts about this particular Northeast Rural Livelihood Program project. So the reason actually is you might encounter a question in your exam, maybe in preliminary or mains exam, related to Northeast development. So if such a question arrives, for example in mains exam, if it arrives or if it appears on the question paper, you should think you are lucky enough because you are seeing this lesson. Okay, there are a lot of points that I am going to put in front of you. So let's go one by one. Okay, so this NERLP is a program which is aided by World Bank. Okay, and it is a multi-state livelihood project. So why multi-state? Because we are covering the complete Northeast region. Okay, it is a multi-state livelihood project. Okay, we have seen these things. We have not thought about the important point here. So under which ministry it comes under? So the simple thing is, it is for Northeast the region, there is a individual ministry which has been appointed. So that ministry's name is Ministry of Development of Northeast region. Okay, there is a separate ministry existing in the government of India for looking after the development in Northeast region. That is the Ministry of Development of Northeast region. Okay, so what else you need to know about this? This project is aiming at improving the, let's see the aim itself. I have already said you, but to give complete picture of it, I will tell you. Okay, so we know that it is going to help people in the Northeast, and it is going to help the rural households or rural people for improving their livelihood. Okay, but there is some special focus on women. So special focus on women, not only women, youth and the disadvantaged section of the population in the Northeast region. Okay, so these are the important things when you when there is a question or when you see the topic, you should know. And I'll also tell you the 5 development strategies which is adopted by this particular project, and they are 5 development strategies. They are social empowerment, economic empowerment, partnership development, program management, and value chain development. Okay, so these are the 5 strategies which has been adopted by this particular Northeast Rural Livelihood Program to implement the same. Okay, so now I will tell you certain facts. I'm not going to write it because it is going to be extensive. I will tell it to you in a fast manner. Maybe I'll note it down with the available space here, because if it goes beyond the limit, I will not be able to bring it into the picture. Okay, so far I said, right, there is a study which has been conducted, and they have found that 3 lakh households have been empowered of their livelihood. Okay, so there is one specific data. There is a skill development, okay, in this particular program, and by providing the skill development and placement of, there has been 10,462 boys and girls who were trained, and almost 5,494 of them are placed. Okay, so this is an important data. I just want to highlight you. And we have another important data, that is about the community development group. So that is community development group. So what is this group? So it is a group which is created for every village. Okay, so there has been a lot of villages that are being in consideration here. Almost 1646 villages. Okay, 1645 villages, sorry, 45 villages are there, and in every village there will be a community development group, okay, which will be created, and those development groups will be having 3 members of every family. So 3 members of every family, okay, and they will be involved in the development activities. So what are the development activities that they do is like the construction of check dams, reclamation of wastelands. So whatever opportunity for development that is available in the rural area, they will be doing it. Okay, so for example, I previously said reclamation of wasteland. They will be working on the wasteland, and they will be trying to make it productive, and construction of check dams, plantation, horticulture projects, and village electrification, and also through solar installation, solar power installations. Okay, so these are the things that they are doing in the village level through the CDG groups, that is the community development group. So that's all from our lesson, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope the lesson was useful. If so, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends. Okay, thank you.